Some days I need a to-do list to get motivated. It's not that I don't know what I need to do, it's just nice to have a sense of accomplishment when it's all done. I like to include any appointments I have on the list too. Today, I had books to pick up at the library, and my daughter had a ballet class to go to. I like to start out the morning in the kitchen, cleaning up from breakfast. I usually run the dishwasher after dinner, so it's ready to unload in the morning. I feel like my days started on the right foot if the kitchen is nice and neat. My daughter recently pulled out this kitty scrubber from under the sink, and I just had to share it because it's so cute. I'll put a link to find them online in the description box below. Sometimes it's these little things that make cleaning our house more fun. I started this kind of gross looking sourdough starter last week. I made one a year ago and eventually forgot about it in the fridge and it was ruined, but I wanted to try it again, and today I wanted to try making baguettes. It definitely smells pretty sour. I'll link the recipe I'm using for the sourdough baguettes below if you want to give it a try as well. If you happen to be new here today, I'm so glad you stopped by. I'm thankful you're taking a moment to watch this video, and I hope you find it relaxing and inspiring. My name is Sara, and I share videos twice a week about cooking, cleaning, organizing, and homemaking. If you like what you see, be sure to click on that subscribe button. We use cloth napkins almost exclusively in our house. It's better for the environment because we're not throwing out paper napkins every time we eat, but it requires that I wash them pretty frequently. I store all of our cloth napkins and kitchen towels in this basket in the kitchen. We don't have a ton of drawer space in our house, so this is a good organization solution. Next, I'm heading out into our garden to pick some lettuce for dinner. If there's anything I would recommend growing, it would be lettuce. It's a mix, and I don't thin them once I plant them. I'll link my spring seed planting video above in the cards. I pick the outer leaves and take just enough to make each night's salad. We end up saving money not buying lettuce at the store, and it saves on all the plastic packaging. I fill our salad spinner with lettuce for dinner, and then I wash them and store them right in the salad spinner until it's time to make the salad. I also had a few radishes that were ready to pick. Next, I went back to the kitchen to work on my baguettes. They'd been rising for 90 minutes and the dough looked ready. I think next time I'll try an overnight rise to see how that works. think the baking time was a little long. They were really crispy and brown. Hopefully I'll get better with practice. They were definitely delicious, with cream cheese, strawberries, and honey though. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!